ちゃんだよ。Let's learn Japanese with me. Today's letter is
バビブベボ You can find バビブベボ here.
Let's write Hiragana.
To write バビブベボ, all you need to do is to add Dakuon Handakuon Ver. Let's learn some words with バビブベボばこんばんはこんばんはこんばんは means good evening. こんばんは is written like this. こんばんは However, we need to pronounce it こんばんは Repeat after me. こんばんはび曜日曜日曜日 means day of the week. Repeat after me. 曜日何曜日が好きですか ?What day of the week do you like? 金曜日が好き。I like Fridays. 文章文章文章 means sentences. Repeat after me. 文章文章を書く Write sentences. 便利便利便利 is to be convenient. Repeat after me. 便利コンビニ Convenience store コンビニは便利です。A convenience store is convenient. 帽子帽子帽子 means hat. Repeat after me. 帽子帽子をかぶる Put on a hat.
Let's review the lesson. Please prepare pencil and paper.
Can you read this? This is ば Then can you read this? This is ぼ An easy way to understand the difference between ば and ぼ is to check the number of horizontal lines in the letter. As you can see, ば has one horizontal line and ぼ has two.
Now it's time to write them down.
Can you write this?
Feel free to pause the video while you are writing down.
The answer is 帽子帽子 means hat. Today we got 豚豚豚 is pig.
You did great today. またね.
Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe. See you!